The heavy monsoon rains across the country caused a further surge in lives and property losses, as the total death count in various incidents reached 903 and 1,293 individuals got injured since the onset of the rainy season. The National Disaster Management Authority issued a 24-hour situation report released on a routine basis that accounted for overall life, property, and infrastructure losses incurred by the heavy rains lashing out various parts of the country. In KPK District D.I. Khan, incidents of roof collapse as a result of heavy rain were reported at different sites that caused the death of a man and injured two others. In Punjab's district Rajanpur, 5 people died due to drowning in high-flow waters. In Sindh, 11 men, 4 women and 10 children died during various incidents. There was no incident or loss to report in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, GB, and Islamabad Capital Territory. Meanwhile, Federal Minister for Climate Change Senator Sherry Rehman said that the country had so far received an average of 166 millimeters of rainfall during the month of August, which was 241% above normal.